Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best winter jackets for men that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wantdo Men's Mountain Waterproof Fleece Ski Jacket Windproof Rain Jacket. Finally, Wantdo wraps up our list. This is the best option which outmuscles the rest in almost all aspects and parameters. The warm fabric used in its construction offers exceptional levels of warmth and convenience. And, the jacket comes with a water-repellent coat which makes it perfect for rains and snowfalls. The durable fabric coupled with 1,200 grams cotton padding guarantee ultimate heat retention 8 on, thus keeping one warm and toasty. Its relaxed fit ensures that you are comfortable while the quick dry material offers added convenience. What's more, this jacket features a fully waterproof and windproof construction. This makes it not only ideal for winter but also perfect for all accompanying elements like snow and rains. Adjustable cuffs, stretchable glove with thumb hole helps seal in warmth. 2. Inside windproof snap skirt, internal drawcord hem, detachable and adjustable storm hood help to keep wind out. 3. Wear-resisting soft shell is highly wind-resistant. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the English Laundry Men's Outerwear Jacket. English Laundry is a 100% polyester winter jacket. The level of comfort is unsurpassed. In most cases, people either have to sacrifice comfort for warmth or warmth for comfort when buying a winter jacket. However, with English Laundry, you get comfort, warmth and durability as one pack. Imported, this jacket is recommended for machine washing. This means that you won't have to worry about hand washing, which is such a tedious task. The puffer coating, which is fitted with channel-stitched shoulders and an excellent faux fur hood, makes it perfect for the coldest season of the year. Something else, this jacket also comes with banded cuffs which make it a must-have for anyone who wants to keep warm and toasty in the winter season. The polyester fill used in the construction of this jacket also add to its unique features, making it quite incredible. The fills make it warm and ideal for winter. At number 3, we have the Alpha Industries Men's N3B Parka Coat. Halfway through our list is the Alpha Industries Winter Jacket. This is a great option which ensures that you stay warm and toasty throughout the cold winter season. Unlike most of its competitors, the jacket boasts a 100% nylon construction which makes it perfect for rain and winds. The front zip fitted with a toggle button placket guarantees ultimate performance. And yes, it also comes with flap hand pockets and excellent welted chest pockets for secure storage of your valuables. Lastly, the jacket is also fitted with the water-repellent outer cover which makes it ideal for snowy environments. Looking for a durable cold weather parka that's fashionable and our warmest yet? The USAF N3B Parka fits the bill. This snorkel parka features reinforced elbow patches, a full-length storm flap and inset knit cuffs for durability and protection against the elements. The N3B Parka's nylon outer shell, polyester interlining ensures that no cold air seeps in. Our hood is lined and trimmed with synthetic fur, complete with adjustable draw cord, take-up strap. At number 2, we have the Columbia Men's Big Tall Alpine Action Jacket. Unlike the other options, this winter jacket boasts a unique construction. It features 100% other fibers. This makes it unique and gives it a competitive advantage over its competitors. Ideal for the mild and extreme winter season, the Omni-Heat thermal reflective construction ensures that heat is adequately retained for adequate performance. And, the jacket features a breathable and fully waterproof design which makes it perfect even when there's a snowfall. Critically seam sealed, you won't have to worry about a thing with this jacket. Something else, the jacket comes with a removable and adjustable hood for added convenience. Of course, it also has a removable and adjustable snapback skirt for extra protection. As cold weather arrives, using a durable, rugged, and yet waterproof and comfortable jacket that can keep you warm and protected from extreme weather is essential for safety. The Columbia Men's Alpine Action Jacket in big sizes delivers next-level warmth and waterproof breathability to stand up to serious storms. It's a superior technical jacket that is durable, comfortable, and rugged. Columbia jackets have been well known for setting an exclusive standard for using the highest quality materials assembled with precision manufacturing standards. And the Alpine Action is no exception to this rule. And finally at number 1, we have the Spyder Leader Jacket. Next on our list is the Spyder Winter Jacket. This is an excellent option for the coming winter season. First, it boasts a 100% polyester construction which makes it comfortable and highly durable. Something else, this jacket comes with a removable and highly compatible hood. The hood features an anti-abrasion overlay and comes with an adjustable opening for added convenience. Of course, winter is accompanied by snowfalls which are also quite disturbing. To ensure that snow doesn't get to you, this jacket boasts a waterproof center front zipper. What's more, the hand and chest pocket zippers are also waterproofed. This completely eliminates chances of water penetrating into the interior section. Additionally, the jacket features a snapback design which holds the powder skirt when it's not in use. The powder skirt can also be removed and features a core ventilation system and a stretch panel. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.